In this video, we're going to set up your offline lead magnet Windows applications. Okay, so just follow along real quick in this video and we should get you all squared away. Now, what you see here are quite a few software pieces. There's actually 6 altogether. There's 3 different styles. Each one has a video and has a PDF version. Okay, so you got the video and the PDF version. What we're going to do first is the video version. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing I'm going to do is grab all of these files here and I'm going to copy them and put them in a new folder. Alright, now I do that. I'm just going to call it OLM1 video. Alright, I do that so that I'm not working with my original files here. I like working off of a copy. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of those. Now what I have here are my files. So the first thing I'm going to do is brand my software. So you need to click on the branding icon. It's this orange application file. Now what that should do is just, you're going to get prompted here in Windows to choose your file. Select the item to brand. Now if you're not seeing the application right here, we click this up one level button and you should be able to see it. It's the offline lead magnet 1. That's the one that we're going to brand. Okay, so let's open that. Now this is our branding tool. Now there's a few things in here that you can brand. So let me just be real clear on what we're going to do here. So here's the product title. You can go ahead and change that if you'd like. Alright, you can change that out. Now in these boxes are, you can either do videos, or actually this version is the video version. So you're gonna, the only thing you can do is include a YouTube video ID. Now the YouTube video ID, let me go ahead and open up YouTube. Alright, so I just picked a random video with YouTube. And all I want to do is just show you the actual YouTube ID, and that's this right up here. After the V equals, you're going to get a string of characters, and that's the video ID. So you're going to upload all of your videos up to YouTube. If you're going to create your own videos, that's the way to do it. Or you can buy the videos already made. That's what I did. Okay, I created the video, the presentations in the videos. I have those available for you in the one-time offer if you want to get those already done. So you just upload them to YouTube and be done with it. But I'm going to grab this YouTube ID and paste it right in there. You can see it's just one string. So I'll do that for every single one of these. Okay, so the ID is put in there. Now the registration settings. We're going to require a registration code. Okay, now the code, you could make up whatever code you like. It can be a mixture of capital, lowercase, something like that. Looks pretty good. Now the trick is to make sure you copy that and put it somewhere so that you don't lose it. Okay, so we'll put that down there. Now where are we going to get this code? Now I'm going to show you something here on Aweber. This is an Aweber account that I use. Once you create a form, Aweber gives you the option to host the form for you. So if you look right here, this is an actual form hosted by Aweber. That's all I use. I use an Aweber account. I have them host the form, and then I use that for my registration URL. Okay, and what I do is I have it open up in an 800 by 800 window. So if your form is on your website or on your blog, wherever, that's the link that you're going to put right in here. Okay, now through the series of autoresponders, it's, you know, Aweber is an autoresponder service, so it's going to send them an email right away because that's what I'm going to tell them to do. And that email to their regular inbox, not just automatically if they use some fake email, then, you know, I don't want them sent the registration code. I only want serious people. So if they're not serious enough to give me their email for registering the software, then I really don't care for them. So this is the code right here that they're going to need. So let's hit done. Let's hit brand. Branding is complete. All right. I can actually get rid of this if I wanted to. And now I have my software ready to go. So let me click on the software. Right away, I get prompted to enter a registration key. Now, if I don't have a key, they're going to click on that button, and there is my registration form. Enter here to get your software registration sent directly to your email inbox. You see, they don't even see the URL. Okay? So I would put my email in there, and then through that process, they would get sent. There'd be a thank you page that says, hey, thanks for signing up. Check your email inbox. It should be there within the next 15 minutes. All right, so they get the key, they paste it in there, they click OK, and now the software is unlocked. Okay, so now they have their software. If they click on mobile design, remember we put that video in there.
The game will end on this play.
There's the video. All right, so this is the video that I chose, and I put it in there. I would have done that for every single one of these, and that would have set up my software. Okay, so that's how we do the video software. All right, in the next video I'll show you how to do the PDF. All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the PDF version. So I'll go ahead and grab all my files like I did in the last video, paste them in a new folder. Okay, so I'm working off of my my new files here. Okay, one thing I want to show you is that I'm just going to show you one example, but I converted one of the presentations into a PDF. Okay, I saved it as a PDF, so I have that right here. All right, so what I'm going to do, same process, Brander. I'm going to go ahead and find my file. Remember that now this one's Lead Magnet 1 PDF version. I'm going to click open. All right, now all of these require a PDF. Now it says YouTube ID right here. That needs to be changed. So I'm going to change that out in all these pieces of software. But just bear with me because this is going to say enter the PDF. All right. Now what you're going to do, let's say for example, this is an email presentation where you're going to do all of them. Let me open this up so I can show you exactly what this is. See, this is the PDF of the presentation. That's a lead magnet. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have a Word. This is an easy way to do it. This is a WordPress install. Okay, I have a lot of files here and installations of in this installation of WordPress. If you have a site that you use with WordPress, it's an easy way to do it. You open up the media tab. You see the media tab right here on the left. Open that up, you hit add new. Okay, now I can drag my presentation right up here, and you can see it started to load up, and it that quick. It's now on my server. All right, so I do that a lot with a lot of my products that I want to put online. I just put them in a WordPress install. So now I can just copy that URL because I know it's on my server. It's live and on the internet, and I can go ahead and put right here in the email marketing, I could put the link to my PDF. Now, if you don't do it that way, you're going to use your file manager or you're going to use your cPanel. In some way, you're going to have to get your PDFs, all of your presentations, uploaded to your server. Okay, now, depending on what server type you're using, I'm sure they have tutorial videos that you can use to get your files uploaded to your server. All right, there's so many different variations of hosting companies and ways of doing it. There's cPanel, there's File Manager, there's different uploading ways that, you know, even places like GoDaddy hosting use. So I can't possibly make a tutorial on each of those. If you get in some problems, just go ahead and email me. But you shouldn't have any problems. Just get your files up on the web. So I can go ahead and just paste these in all of them. Let's just say I had all of my content uploaded, and I pasted all the links right in here. All right, now in the last video I showed you again how to set up the registration code, where to get that and everything. I'm not going to do it on this one. Okay, we're going to make this really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and brand this software. Okay, I can get rid of my brander. You don't have to, but I'm just a creature of habit that likes to do things the same all the time. So this one's going to load up. There's no registration, okay, but I'm going to click on mobile web design, and you can see that it started to load up, and it loaded up my presentation. See that? How nice that looks. Really, really easy. So if I go to any of these, it's going to load up the same one, obviously, but if I had them all different, they would load up each individually. And it makes a really nice software because you're giving away this content through the use of the software. All right, so that's how you set up the PDFs. Again, I'm going to get the software all changed out so it does say PDF on it so you don't get confused. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, hit my support and I'll help you out the best I can. Take care.